Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I trust you all are doing well. It's been so long, my goodness. All right, so today I'm going to be doing a quick updo hairstyle. I'm going to be doing double bun hairstyle and no gel. I'm not going to be using any gel today because I'm running late and I want this hairstyle to be like quick and out of the door kind of hairstyle. So in order to achieve the flat look on the front, I'm going to be braiding the hair. So right here, I'm going to section up the hair as if I'm doing a stitch braid. Just this will help me to control the grip on the hair and also to help to ensure that the front of the hair lays flat as I'm braiding the hair. So it just helps to control the flatness of the hair and the grip of the hair since the section is thick. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, I'm also going to be using some Afro Kinky Braiding hair to achieve the fluffiness on the bun. I'm not braiding the hair all the way to the tip because I'll be brushing the back section upward to meet the braid in order to create a ponytail, to put the hair into a ponytail. So right here, I've already detangled the hair. So right now I'm going ahead to brush the hair up with my hand, making sure that the back of the back section lays flat towards the front, towards the middle part of the hair, as you can see right there. So to secure the braiding hair in place, I'm going to be making use of some yarn and I'm going to be wrapping that around the base of the ponytail in order to secure the braiding hair in place. And also I'm not tying a knot, okay? I want to be able to just come home and easily remove the braiding hair extension without doing extra work. So yeah. So now that that is done, I'm going to be putting my hair a little, I'm going to be wrapping the braiding hair around my hair just like this. Okay. So now I'm going to be wrapping the braiding hair around the base of the ponytail to create the bun. And also to secure it in place, I'm going in with a bobby pin to secure the end of the braiding hair in place. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the other second half of the braiding hair, wrapping it loosely around the base and a little bit on top just to help to maintain the volume I want for the hairstyle. So what do you guys prefer? Do you prefer applying gel on your hair for this kind of hairstyle, or do you prefer the no gel quick hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section down below the one you prefer. For me, I don't like using gel a lot on my hair because after going through the wash day process and then putting gel back into the hair and dealing with the wash day and detangling process again, it's a lot. So I just try my best to skip any hairstyle that will force me to use gel. So, all right, look at this. All right, my hairstyle is ready and I'm ready for my date night. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful, fluffy double bun. Look at that. Perfect. All right, guys. So this is the final look right here. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below if you're going to be trying out this hairstyle. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.